welcome to the Script and MV repository on YouTube. During an assignment, I was challenged with the question if it is possible to change the Adobe Acrobat DC license from Pro to Standard and vice versa. I found out that it is possible to do so. Under the hood, Adobe Acrobat DC Standard and Adobe Acrobat DC Pro are the same. The only difference is the license. The license makes it a Standard or Pro version. So, if you want to change the license, you only have to unregister the current license and register the new license. In this video, I will tell you how to change the license. A detailed explanation can be found on my blog on www.vroom.cc. In this video, I will give you a short demonstration. Now I will show you how you can change the license. From the Adobe website you can download the Adobe Licensing Toolkit. You can alter the license with a couple of parameters. Also, you have to download the license from the Adobe Licensing website. That's not covered in this article. Open an elevated command prompt and enter the command to remove the license. Now copy the command to register Adobe Acrobat Pro. And finally, start Adobe Acrobat DC. And you will see that it is the Pro version. Also via Help About. Now we're going to register the standard version, so remove the license. And register the standard version. Start Adobe Acrobat again. And it will switch from Pro to Standard. You see? Also Help About gives the same information. It's the standard now. You have to unregister to switch between the Pro and the Standard version. First unregister the current Standard. Register the Pro version. Then it shows the Pro version. Quit. And register the Standard version. Start Adobe Acrobat DC again. And it remains Pro. So leave. So unregister or deactivate. I should say deactivate the license. But it's the same. Register. and start Adobe Acrobat again. And you will see that it's now the standard. You see, leave, and you are done. There are two requirements. First, the license will only be set if Adobe Acrobat DC has been installed on the system. And second, all users are entitled to use Adobe Acrobat DC Standard, unless the user is member of the group to use Adobe Acrobat DC Pro. Then the user can use the Pro version. The first requirement is solved by using a zone. This zone checks if the Adobe Acrobat executable is higher than 20.012.20048. In that case, the zone is applied. In the mandatory application without shortcuts, the license is configured based on the application group the user is member of. Click on the Pro version and you see the group that is used. And below you see the zone. The standard version, access control gives not the group, as you see. And below the zone that is used. Click OK. The licensing toolkit executable and the license files are copied to the custom resources folder. And the files can be found here. On the client, these files can be found in the custom resources folder. The JSON file for standard and the JSON file for the Pro. Testing on the client. The test user test93 is no member of the Adobe Acrobat DC Pro group, as you can see under the Ivanti preferences. And if we start Adobe Acrobat, you will see that the standard version is shown. We have added the test user 93 to the Adobe Acrobat DC Pro group. And now testing again. The test user is member of the Pro group, as you can see. And now we will start Adobe Acrobat again, the DC version. And it will switch from standard to the Pro version. There is detailed logging in Ivanti Workspace Control. You can see what actions are done during the logon process. The first one is the unregister of the current installed license, then register the Pro license, And this one, the name is a little bit misleading because it mentions standard in it. So we will correct that in the shortcut because that is about the capturing of the user settings. User settings, capturing, and there you have the same name. So we will remove the standard part. So it clarifies that is about the user settings, and we are done. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.